Hey, what's up? Exi Infinity price is starting decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and definitely the holders are very shocked to what's this going on. But don't worry, my friend. I am with you here. I am here now, so definitely I will notify you to when a coin well fails down and what we will need to do to be safe from the loss and get a profit now. So therefore, my friends, please hold it. In those days, you will need to hold it. I hope if you hold so they will give you a very good profit, and absolutely my friend you will start this now. So please be safe from loss and definitely don't do this now. Otherwise you will lose, you cannot get a profit, and definitely my viewers, my subscribers, this is not a good. So please holders, hope you will me understand. My brother, after a very long time, definitely when a coin was starting moving upward, so definitely the holders and the workers are congratulations and they are come back again. So therefore, my friend, I will notify you to in upcoming time. Definitely, when a holder are starting selling. So therefore, my friends, the condition is very critical now, and everything is gone bad now. But please, my friend, after a very short time, this time, as you can see, my friend, the conversation is going very good now. So thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscriber. A like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.